Hello everybody, today we're going to know the benefits of a supply chain management software in your small business. Today, for companies worldwide, it is of utmost importance to take good control of every one of their operations in order to ensure great efficiency and increase their productivity every day. Companies need to keep track of their process chain from start to finish. You can achieve this with the help of supply chain software. Well, why is supply chain management software important? Supply chain management is very important for a company because usually companies have more than one process for their product from the beginning of the production to the end, which in this case would be the reception of the product by the user. Among some of the benefits for the company, we have several that we're going to discuss today. Well, let's talk about how it helps control and reduce costs. SCM software analyzes each of the aspects and procedures of a company in depth, which allows you to see from above each of the processes, detecting and eliminating waste and costs without really changing the way your company operates. Let's also talk about how it elevates late shipment and logistical errors. With the help of a SCM software, you can ensure that the correct functioning of your shipments and reduce your logistical errors. In this SCM software, you can schedule the shipments and each of the tasks and activity to be performed, and it will notify you at the time and day necessary. It also improves customer service and communication. SCM software allows not only to improve communication with your customers but also within your company. This enhances the process within them and improves productivity, which in one way or another increases collaboration between your team. Customers always want to be in constant communication with the company because they want to know about the new products and the status of their shipments. Enabling them with the SCM tool can lead to a higher retention rate, as many satisfied customers can come back and buy from you again. A SCM software will also help you with forecasting and decision making. It analyzes every single process within a company in greater depth. This allows for improved decision making in the long run, and in short can get straight to the point. It certainly helps to prevent errors, reduces losses. Let's talk about some supply chain management softwares. For example, E2Open. Well, E2Open LLC is a business-to-business provider of cloud-based on-demand software for supply chain for computer, telecom and electronic systems, etc. E2Open offers its products across a variety of industries, including high-technology industrial manufacturing, telecommunication, life sciences, oil and gas, consumer electronics, etc. Oracle SCM. Oracle Supply Chain Management is a comprehensive suite of applications with open and flexible architectures, best-in-class capabilities, complete functional coverage, and both integrated and modular deployment options. Let's talk about SAP SCM. Well, SAP Supply Chain Management is more than just a management package. It is a software tool that allows you to plan, execute, and coordinate your supply chain in real time. This system is part of SAP Business Suite that provides companies with the unique ability to run their core business processes with modular software design to work with other SAP or non-SAP softwares. So don't waste any more time and start developing your supply chain management software to activate your company to the maximum and increase its productivity day by day. For more such information, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.